Hello, my name is Nathan. I work in the Online Learning Center here at Conestoga College, and in this series of videos, I'll be demonstrating the process for bringing quizzes online. So first of all, when I say quiz, I'm referring to tests, quizzes, exams that you may have traditionally offered on paper for your students. So to get started, we'll go into the Course Tools menu and select the Quizzes tool. Now the best place to get started is not actually by clicking on this new quiz button. Instead, I want to talk to you about the question library first. So the question library is a space where you can create, organize, manage questions that are later used within quizzes. The advantages are that it can be set up in the question library and used in multiple quizzes. So you may have a question on a quiz and then later used again on a midterm or final exam. But those questions are centrally managed within the course. So if you have to make a change at some point, you can change it here and it will be applied to everywhere that question is used. It's also nice for getting organized, and using the question library is the only way that you'll be able to do what are called random pools of questions on your quiz, which would mean, let's say you've got 20 multiple choice questions, but any student will only get a random 5 or 10 of those questions. So within this question library area, the first thing I would do is create a section. That's basically what we call folders within this tool. And I recommend setting up folders for breaking out questions in whichever logical way makes the most sense for you. If you're breaking them up by chapter, by week, by subject, you can even have sections within sections. So you may have, for instance, a section here for week 10. Within that, I could still have a section based on question type. I could have a folder of multiple choice, a folder of written response, etc. You'll notice that as you're creating sections, there is the ability to shuffle questions within a section. That's something that we can apply here, but we'll also have the ability to apply that when we go to set up the quiz that these questions are used in. So for now, we'll just make a folder, and this is now the space where we can start to add questions.